Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. So today I'm gonna be doing a getting my life together kind of like cleaning video. I've just been super busy lately and I haven't had a chance to do my weekly clean of my apartment. Every Sunday I try to kind of like do a semi-deep clean, kind of dust, wipe the surfaces down, vacuum. And sometimes that's not super necessary if I did it the week before. I try to kind of like deep clean every week, but the last week or two I haven't really done that as much, so I feel like things are just looking kind of dirty. I need to just do like a really deep clean. I also kind of want to do some spring cleaning and just like decluttering. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video, is just kind of cleaning. I love watching cleaning videos. I actually just watched one. I was needing to get some inspiration and motivation for today and just like cleaning my apartment, and I was going through my subscription feed and my friend Keegan actually just posted a cleaning her apartment video. I definitely needed that motivation, so I love watching cleaning videos. They just inspire me so much, so I'm hoping this video will motivate you guys. I actually have a whole playlist of these types of videos because I've done quite a few of them, so I will link the playlist here if you guys want to check it out, and I'll link some of my other ones down in the description. That's what we're gonna be doing in this video. First things first, I want to make a to-do list and just kind of like write everything down, like everything that I want to clean, just kind of plan it out, kind of by the room. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make a list of everything I want to do, and it'll just make it so much easier because I don't really have to think about it as I'm doing it. I can just go down my list for each room. This is my favorite notebook. This is Lauren Doan here on YouTube. This is her notebook from Etsy. This is actually the Christmas one, so it says 'tis the season to get it done, but there's a non-seasonal one. This is like my favorite notebook to write my to-do list on because it has like little like almost like grid lines. And then I like to use these pens from Amazon. I just got a little pencil bag for them so I don't have to keep them in this container. Just like these nice little pens. And then I also have these markers. I have like 2 packs of them, so I will link those below if you guys are curious. These are the markers. I just have a couple of different colors. I'm just gonna write out a quick little to-do list. So I made my list. It's super long. I have everything written down that I want to do, so it'll just be super easy to go room by room and just like look at the list and just like check it off and know that I've done everything I need to do. I'm sorry if you can't read my handwriting. I've been told many times that my handwriting is terrible. I might not get to every single thing on that list today. I like to start with actually just picking everything up before I actually clean and dust and vacuum, because I can't really vacuum the floor if there's stuff on the floor. So we're gonna start by picking up each room. That's kind of how I wrote out my list, is each room I want to pick up, and then the deep cleaning list for each room, and then I have a declutter list at the very end, so if I do get through all of this, I can actually like specific things I want to declutter. Second step is to get coffee, and this is probably the other most important thing. This will just give you some fuel and some motivation. I think I'm gonna go get some coffee, so I think I'm just gonna get a Starbucks. So I've been filming a Starbucks video where I go and try a new Starbucks drink every day for like a week, and I'm trying your guys' favorite Starbucks drink. It'll be up in just a couple days, so I just finished filming it and I'm gonna be editing it. I kind of want to get one of the drinks that I tried in that video. Also, how cute is my phone case? I just recently got this. It is from Casetify. Before I go get my Starbucks, I might have to do a little unboxing for you because I recently just got a few new phone cases from Casetify. You guys already know I love Casetify. I've talked about them in so many videos, like literally so many videos. I actually am partnering with Casetify on this video, but literally they are one of my favorite brands ever. Truly the only phone cases I have used in pretty much the last year. It's so protective and so cute and slim and just everything I want in a phone case. Look at this. This is my package. Okay, so this is the package. First up is this one that I already showed you. I'm gonna have a link below if you guys want to shop any Casetify cases. This is the first phone case, and it looks like this. There's just like these little outlined kind of flowers, and this is the Super Impact case. So I'll tell you guys a little bit about their cases and how they protect your phone here in a second, but you can see there's little bumpers here on the corner, so they're super, super, super protective. I also got this case as well. This one is really cute. It's like this matte material, and then it just has Emily at the bottom in this kind of like gothic-like print. I just think this is super cute. So this is just the regular impact case, so it doesn't have the bumpers. I think I'll use this a lot. I also got this one. I love the kind of beige cream color. I feel like it's super in right now. And this one has my initials engraved on it. If you guys can see, it's just like barely there, which I love. So it's not like super noticeable or anything. It's just kind of there. And I love this color and material. This one is the compostable case. It's 100% biodegradable and 100% compostable. And this is the last new case that I have, and it's this one right here with the clouds. And I think this is really cute. I've been seeing this all over Instagram. Like so many people I follow have this one. There actually is a sunset one with like pink kind of like clouds, and this one is also the super impact case, so it has the little bumpers on the corner. I love this case as well. And I also got some masks. I love their masks. There's a little filter that you can actually just put inside of it. Oh, and I also got just like a glass screen protector, and it's military grade protection. These are great because they really do give you so much extra protection, and you know Casetify is going to be amazing. Really excited for this. They always include some little phone wipes. So these are just like some little sanitary wipes for your phone. So those are the cases I got. I absolutely love them. Casetify cases are genuinely the best, literally more protective than any other phone case I've used. And I've tried so many different phone cases. These are so much better, like so much more protective. The impact cases are engineered with a 2-layer construction of Chi-Tech technology. And they're drop test approved for drops up to 6.6 feet. Literally no joke. I have drop tested them myself, and I will be in this video as well. They're so much more protective than cheaper alternatives you would find on Amazon or other places. And as you just saw, they come in so many different designs. You can pick your favorite color or print to really just match your personality and your style. You can also add your name or monogram for a truly personalized case, or even your own pictures. So what I really love is that Casetify really lets you have the best of both worlds. You get protection with personality, and on top of that, they're super, super slim, so you don't have to have like super bulky cases. And Casetify also has an antimicrobial coating to help keep your case germ-free, and it can kill up to 99% of bacteria. And on top of that, they're partially made of recycled plastic, so you can really just feel good about your phone looking great. Impact and Ultra Impact case is actually the world's slimmest, most protective case. Like I said, Casetify's cases are drop test approved for up to 6.6 feet, so I'm going to test it out here on camera, and I'm just going to drop my phone. I'm going to put Casetify's military grade drop protection to the test. So that was the drop test. As you can see, Casetify protected my phone. I showed a little before and after. Casetify is super awesome, and I definitely recommend checking them out for yourself. If you need to protect your phone but still want it to look great, you definitely need a Casetify case. I do have some good news for you guys. So if you go to casetify.com/EmilyGrace, you can actually save 20% off today, which is amazing. And I'm gonna have that link below as well at the top of my description, so you guys can shop Casetify. I promise you guys will absolutely love your new Casetify case, and we can even twin if you guys want. I wanted to show you guys those really quickly because I just got my package. Thank you again to Casetify for partnering with me on this video. So with that being said, I guess I will go ahead and get my Starbucks and get started with this cleaning. I got my Starbucks. I just have a cinnamon dolce latte with the cold foam added, and I only did like half the syrup. And now it is finally time to get started. I'm just gonna start with picking up each area of my room. I'm also going to wash all of my bedding. Forgot to say, but another thing that you should consider when you're cleaning, definitely to wear something comfy and easy to move in. This is what I'm wearing. I just have this cropped jacket from Princess Polly, sweatpants from Pretty Little Thing. These are literally like my favorite sweatpants. Just a little update. I have pretty much picked up everything. Now I'm just going to wash my sheets. I was waiting on some laundry to finish up. So now that my sheets are in the wash, I'm just going to really deep clean my kitchen. I feel like the kitchen is kind of the biggest thing, so I like to start with that. looking pretty clean in the kitchen. I wiped a lot of things down. I do need to do something with this rug. It has collected a lot of crumbs. I think I'm gonna shake it outside. Much gone through my whole kitchen cleaning to-do list, so now the last thing to do in the kitchen is to sweep and Swiffer. I actually hate doing this. Update, my kitchen is pretty much 100% done. I've just been working on my bathroom. I wiped down the counter, cleaned the sink, wiped the mirrors down. I wiped all the containers on top of the counter. I just kind of like rinsed the top of them off because they were kind of dusty. Now I'm just gonna like refill everything. It's starting to get dark out and I haven't done my room yet. I'm just going to finish up my bathroom. It's pretty much done. I still have my little Swiffer, so I'm just gonna kind of clean the floors in the bathroom as well. Just a little update, my bathroom is pretty much done. I haven't started on my room yet, and I still need to vacuum out like my closet slash laundry room. Before I do too many like extra things, I kind of want to do just like the basic cleaning. Do kind of want to at least get some of my room done. I'm just gonna dust my furniture. I basically just wipe all of it down. I'm gonna take everything off of the tops of my furniture, and then I'm gonna vacuum and wipe the ledges on my windows. I'm also gonna wipe my mirror. That is just what I'm gonna do in here. Okay, so this looks kind of weird, but I took everything off furniture. So like you can see there, it's empty, so I can dust them. I'm back where I started. I got pretty much everything on here done. I think I might do a decluttering video in the future because I definitely didn't get to that. It is late and I want to have dinner and I'm kind of done cleaning for today, and I feel like this video is probably going to be super long. If you guys want to see like a spring cleaning and decluttering video, definitely thumbs up this video and let me know in the comments. So really organized and clean and productive. Like I love that feeling when you have just been really productive and you can just feel like you have accomplished something, and that's how I feel. Everything is pretty much done. I'm gonna be doing a whole closet clean out, like an extreme closet clean out, because it has been a while. That is pretty much everything. I feel so much better after doing this. So if you guys currently need to get your life together and your room or apartment is just kind of messy, I highly encourage you to do this and just take some time to deep clean. You will feel so much better about your space. You'll just feel fresh and clean. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and it motivated you to clean. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely thumbs up if you'd like to see some more cleaning videos on my channel, and comment below some of your best cleaning tips. Be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. I've been posting like consistently 2 times a week, sometimes 3 times a week. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Also make sure to check out Casetify and save 20% off with my link below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.